In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag in CapCut PC. If you've been experiencing delays, stutters, or freezes while editing your videos, don't worry, you're not alone. CapCut is a powerful editing tool, but like any advanced software, it requires the right settings to perform smoothly. Today, we're going to walk through a few simple adjustments that will optimize its performance, making your editing experience seamless and frustration-free. And if you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to download and get started. Now let's jump right in. The first step to fixing lag is to adjust some settings and enable proxy files. To begin, click on an empty area of your timeline in CapCut. This ensures that no clips are selected, acting as a reset to avoid unnecessary options cluttering the interface. Once that's done, locate the Modify option in the top right panel of the screen. From there, navigate to the Performance tab. If you're new to CapCut's layout, this might take a moment to find, so don't worry if you need to look around a bit. Now check the box labeled Enable Proxy. This step creates lower resolution versions of your clips specifically for editing, which helps the software run more smoothly. After enabling the proxy, select the lowest resolution available, such as 540p. By choosing a lower resolution, you'll make playback smoother without affecting the final export quality of your video. Next up, let's adjust the playback quality for even better performance. Above CapCut's preview window, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select either Best Performance or Low Quality from the options. Reducing the playback quality during editing lowers the complexity of the video preview, helping to prevent stutters or freezes while you work. Once you've made that selection, you should notice an immediate improvement in playback responsiveness. Now, let's move on to clearing the cache. Over time, CapCut can accumulate a lot of temporary files that might slow things down. To address this, open the CapCut settings and find the Clear Cache option. Click on it, and the software will delete unnecessary files. If you have a lot of ongoing projects, this process might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the cache is cleared, go ahead and restart CapCut to ensure all changes are applied fully. And for the final part, we'll adjust hardware encoding and decoding settings. This step can resolve potential conflicts between CapCut and your graphics card. Open the CapCut settings again and navigate to the Performance menu. Here you'll see checkboxes for speed up hardware encoding and speed up hardware decoding. Uncheck both of these options. What this does is shift the processing load from your computer's GPU to its CPU. This adjustment can help stabilize the software, especially if your graphics card is causing compatibility issues. So there you have it. By enabling proxy files, lowering playback quality, clearing the cache, and tweaking hardware settings, you've taken all the necessary steps to fix lag in CapCut PC. These adjustments should significantly improve your editing experience, making everything smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.